Alright guys, in our today's video I'm going to share with you how you can make up to 5,000 naira to 10,000 naira for every single day from this website called Social Earning app. This website can literally make you a good amount of money if you take it literally serious like as I do. So the dollar rate is 1,600 naira. So that is if you are making $2 every single day, $4 every single day, that simply means you are making up to 7,000 naira to 6,000 naira in a day. It's a huge amount of money. So if you are seeing this video for the first time, make sure you hit on the subscribe button and the notification bell to get notified whenever I share a video with you right here on my YouTube channel. Without wasting much of the time, let's just go right into this video in details. So if you watch this video to the very end, I have a better reward for you, so don't miss out in the end of this video. So when you head over to this website, I'll be leaving the link in the description of this video, so don't forget to smash on the link in the description of this video. Go check it out. So when you sign up on this website, once you open the account on the website, sign up, create an account on the website, and after you create an account, make sure you do your normal detail, your profile, meanwhile your username, your main name. Just fill in the details that you need to fill in with. Once you fill in the details, you will need to activate your account with one-time payment of 1,000 naira. That 1,000 naira we used to buy biscuits at Mama Yoma store, or just pay that 1,000. It's very important to pay that 1,000 to activate your account. Without paying that money, you will not be able to access their survey, because their survey, they pay really good amount of money. Their survey, and their survey is very nice too. You can literally watch video, like video lover, like most of my fans, they love watching videos. So you can literally watch videos and you get paid for watching that single video. So what you have to do after verifying your account, you pay the little amount of money you are told to pay and start your survey. So you click on the survey side, the surveying aspect of the channel of the website. There are different survey in the channel, and you can see some watching videos and get paid, liking video, promote video, share video, and also to get paid. It's as simple as that, just like what I just showed to you. It's as simple as that. So it is very important. This survey can literally give you a good amount of money. That's what I'll just say to you. So I don't want you to go try it out, because it can literally give you a good amount of money in a week, in 7 days time. So go out and try it out. See you in my next video. Don't forget, like what I said in the beginning of this video, there's a reward for those that watch this video to the very end. If you are watching this video, watching me right now, probably you are among those that watch the video to the end. So I'll be leaving a link in the description of this video. Go check the link out. It's a better reward for you. And also, see you in my next video. And don't forget to subscribe, and see you in my next video, guys.